If you think that the medieval crusades never ceased, that they continue in our own wars in the Middle East, you'd be in a good company, a large group, many think tanks strong. But it pains me to say you'd be dead wrong. For the European Crusaders, it was penitential devotion that inspired their armed pilgrimage, their Jerusalem-bound motion. By defending Christ's tomb at the points of their swords, they expected no medals, only spiritual rewards. To them, this was not occupation, but a blessing from above. And so to them, killing Muslims could be, without irony, an act of Christian love. And jihad was but one tool with which Muslim states defended their land, a successful struggle against evil with the tongue, heart, and hand. Yet their best weapon was the glorious culture of the East, which went far in taming the Crusader beast. Once purged of this fanatical virus from the West, Muslims returned to civilizing the world. That's what they did best. Our own disproportionate wars, fueled by secular states and radical creeds, can abide no connection to these medieval deeds. Though drawing on past rhetoric, they are founded on digital dichotomies, mendaciously timeless struggles rooted in our own political economies. That there is religion in our own wars cannot be denied, but it is for the truths of their age, not ours, that medieval Christians, Jews, and Muslims died. It was Mark Twain who inspired this historian's message for our time. History doesn't repeat itself, though sometimes it rhymes.